left, down, right, up.
Crashing into the turrets. No matter how delicious they look.
They are so good. I'll tell you right now, they're not doing anything from a figure. But yeah, Blade Runner, the movie I thought was pretty good, but as far as I can tell, it's very fucking different than the book.
Well, I mean, it's the same, like, There Will Be Blood, based off the book Oil. But it's only based off the first 2 chapters of Oil.
There Will Be Blood is a good ass movie.
Yeah, it's a really good ass movie. But that kid who goes deaf in the movie, he only goes slightly deaf in the book. And then he has an entire college career ahead of him involving political parties, joining communist
Oh, you read it?
Yeah, I have it. It was not worth the last few chapters, but I manned it out because
I mean, you can't not finish a book.
I finished it.
That's like my policy with movies. You gotta finish them. Except for...
My policy is not that one.
So, ABCs of Death. I will finish that. So,
I know I got further.
you got further than me. After F with the farting, I'm like, I will fucking have to watch it. What is all this fucking shit? All of these all these fucking shooting at me, dude.
Yeah, but you shoot at those guys, they give you health. And missiles too. Yeah, but you shoot missiles on the turret, shoot them. And they just give you more missiles.
No!
Stop flying so low.
It's fucking, I'm trying to be like, I'm trying to impress you.
You motherfucking Luke Skywalker here. But I'm Anakin, I've done this shit before. Now I'm Darth Vader, whatever.
Why are we in the same fucking, why are we in a ship together? Space.
Well, it's just bad at video games.
Yeah.
Kermit the Frog is still a cool name. I don't know who that is, but I'm glad it's on my friends list. With a name like that. When is it getting for real now? Does Lindsay need some pretzels? Little pretzels?
Like you just showing it in my mouth.
The thing about pretzels is even though they're fucking delicious and great and perfect, if you eat a bunch...
No, you can't say you can't say perfect, but that negates the perfect.
If
See?
you eat them without a beverage, you're going to die.
Yo, what if you're in the fucking desert and you find a bag of pretzels? What the shit do you do?
Was I starving?
You're starving and thirsty. Like, you're
I'm gonna die of
dehydrated.
thirst before I'm gonna die of hunger, so I'm leaving those pretzels right fucking there.
There's fucking no way. You're eating them. You're not even thinking.
Unless those pretzels are fucking soggy. I ain't eating those pretzels.
Did it rain in the desert? Did the water get into the fucking packet?
I imagine that some child let each pretzel individually soak in his mouth and spit it back into the bag.
That's not the way you eat pretzels. That ain't the way. Who taught him that? He learned that from somebody.
His mother, a bird.
I'm a big fan of letting something rest in your mouth so it tastes a little bit different. Big fan of doing that with Skittles.
I got a plum in the kitchen. Do you think that would work with a plum? Do you like plums? Have you ever had a plum?
I don't think I've ever had a fucking
Plums are really good.
I'm just flying it off into space. I'm fuck the game.
I'm actually going to get a kiwi.
Oh, I thought you were just like making a plan for the future.
Nah, I'm going to get a kiwi.
Okay, maybe I can fucking... I always do better when you're out of the fucking room. You stay in there.
I got a kiwi. What if I came back with a guy from New Zealand?
Look, he's been hiding there the whole time for that fucking...
No,
Yo, I'll come get you.
Yo, you died by getting shot.
There's been a motherfucking New Zealandan motherfucker in the kitchen waiting.
Mike! Mike! Oh wait, that neighbor's not. I mean, it's probably young. It's an hour at night where their children might be they don't have children.
Oh yeah, you
They have a
names.
bike. They have 2 bikes.
And we are 2 people. It's okay. It's okay. Because our fucking fire alarm is first. It's okay. It's okay. I thought I heard somebody stifling laughter in there. Like we're that fucking funny. I gotta tell you, if I've been in the desert and I see a bag of pretzels, I'm not even that in love with pretzels. But in that moment, I'll be like, fucking last meal I'm gonna get, might as well now. Like,
You get the 1 pretzel.
I'm fucking all the salt in there, I'm dead. It's fucking drying me
No,
out.
if I saw a bag of kiwis, desert or not, eating that kiwi.
Just a sack of kiwis that fell down from some fucking airplane.
You know anybody who eats kiwis like me? I'm a man.
I can't be looking. He's just eating it. Did you eat the fur? You did not eat the fur of that kiwi.
Motherfucker.
Oh god, he just ate it. I had to kill him. Oh, I got it. Let me get a sip of water. We talking about the desert.
The skin is good for you. It's full of antioxidants.
And hair! He's eating this shit like an apple! He's eating this shit like a peach! A crunchy peach! Yo, you know what, stupid? If I get stuck in the desert and somebody finds me,
Look at the wiggly bits.
try to look at it and try to be doing this. I'm gonna go. They're gonna be like, yo, you thirsty? I'll be just look at them and be like, give me a fucking Coke.
You know that a soda in the desert.
The IVs and
That was somewhat like this with a spaceship. You were pretty bad
pretty
at that.
bad. Yeah.
It's gonna take a while, ain't it?
No. Because I just gotta get my mind right. And it's fucking it's kiwi. Kiwi noise ain't beneficial.
Kiwis are delicious.
I'm not gonna dispute that, but I know you ain't supposed to eat the hair. I know that.
No, you are supposed to eat that.
No. In all things, you don't eat the hair.
Motherfucker. Okay.
Motherfucker.
Monkey climbing up the kiwi tree. He gets a kiwi.
He's climbing it up. He's a bad
Do you
influence.
think he's peeling the skin off with an orange peeler?
Yo, if a monkey can peel a damn banana.
I know I used to have kiwis as a kid a lot, and I didn't eat the skin then. I don't remember what my mom did in order to prevent me from eating.
You probably fucking
Did I eat this shit with a spoon, like when it was cut in half?
She probably cut it into slices for you, sir.
Yo, your shit needs repairs.
I know.
Your shit just got repairs.
That's why I came out here.
You only got 5 turrets left.
Full. 3.
I went back off.
I swear to God, one of them got me. I feel like any instance
If I didn't tell you to
in my
back off
life-
there, you would have ran straight into that turret.
was I playing chicken?
Yeah.
There's one thing Sterling knows. I'm not about to lose at some fucking chicken.
Except chicken with an immovable object is not a game to play.
Like, I'm playing chicken with a fucking building.